Hello guys, today we'll be making Marghi special. Can you see how delicious this looks? Oh my goodness. Well, let's get into it right now. First off, you need your fresh fish. It can be tilapia or catfish or any other fish, I think, but I'm using catfish. Then you need your yakuwa leaves. You also need your blended tomatoes, pepper and onions, just a little tomatoes though. Get your pots, then pour in your sliced and washed yakuwa leaves. Then pour in your fish. You need to do this in order to protect your fish, to avoid the fish from getting burnt. Put your yakuwa first, then your fish, then some yakuwa and some catfish too. Then you pour in your blended tomatoes, pepper and onion mix. Yes. After that, you put it on fire and allow it to cook. You need a lot of patience because it takes quite a while to cook this soup, and towards the end you need to lower it to a low heat. Now we're going to check our soup. Can you see how good it looks already? So you put your ginger and garlic for some spices, you put some seasonings and salt, then kanwa to avoid the sourness of the leaves because yakuwa leaves is sour, so the kanwa reduces the sourness of the leaves. Then next you add in your oil. You need enough oil for this in order for the soup not to get burnt. Then you cover your pot. Do not stir this soup, it is not allowed. Do not ever try that mistake. You can only turn your pot side to side to mix it up, but do not turn it. So you cover it and check it again. You can see it's almost done. Then you cover it again and then it is done. Can you see how delicious? Oh my goodness, I just wish you can perceive this aroma. So just make sure you try it and let me know how it turned out. You can also check the recipe in the description, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you actually like it. See you next time. Bye.